Top of the top, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Actually, welcome back to another cruise announcement video, because I know it's been a long time since I've made a cruise. It's probably been like 3-4 months. You know, life got busy, you know what I'm saying? I got a Type R now, so I got to put that work in to maintain this shit, you know what I mean? So your boy's just been working and you know, just trying to get his life situated, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to another video, and I'm inviting y'all to a dope-ass cruise. I'm hosting a cruise for my birthday, Saturday, October 1st at Angeles Crest. I hope a lot of y'all can come out to the cruise. It'll be dope if y'all can spend my birthday with me on some cool, cool vibes type shit, you know? And like I said, it's been a minute since I've done a cruise, so why not make a cruise on my birthday, you know what I mean? Saturday morning, let's catch a vibe out here in Angeles Crest. I didn't know if I wanted to do it in Malibu or Angeles Crest, but I'm like, based on the gas prices, I think it's smarter for us to just go in LA, where everybody lives closer and it's easier to access than everybody go to Malibu, you know what I mean? Because it's pretty far and I didn't want to do that to y'all and make y'all waste your money, you know, to go on a cruise. Which I'm sure a lot of y'all don't give a fuck, but you know what I'm saying? Like, why not just go to Angeles Crest? So we're gonna go to Angeles Crest on some chill vibes, man. But your boy is turning 29. I can't wait to be 30. I don't know why some people don't want to get older. Me, I'm like, fuck it, I want to get older, man, because I feel like the older I'm gonna get, the better life is gonna get, you know what I mean? That's just the way I look at it. A lot of people think that the younger you are, the better life is. Nah, I think the older you are, the better life is, because you live and you learn, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, I hope I can see a lot of you guys come out. Meetup time is going to be at 8 in the morning. Rollout is going to be at 9, okay? I'm giving everybody that 1 hour window to be able to get here. I don't want to leave anybody behind. But please, if you do come, please try to get here before like 8:45, because a lot of people got to go to work. A lot of people got other stuff to do. 8 in the morning is the perfect time in my opinion. We're going to go up Angeles Crest, go through the back, go to Palmdale, you know what I mean? Anybody want to do the little runs, do that, and then we're going to attack Angeles Crest, and we're going to end it at Big Tahunga. So we're going to start over here and pretty much go around the whole mountain, catch a vibe, you know? You've never been to a cruise, one of my cruises, pull up, man. I hope to see you, man. Remember, 8 in the morning, rollout time is 9 a.m. Everybody's welcomed. If you want to get a little couple races, there's a place where we can race in the middle of the cruise. If you want to run the Type R, test your setup, you know what I mean? If the car's not overheated, like, you know, too hot, we can make it happen. But I hope to see everybody come out, man. Again, we're celebrating my birthday, October 1st. And yeah, man, let's go out here and enjoy this birthday bash cruise, man. I hope to see everybody out here.
Libra gang.
Libra gang. Hey, what's up, my boys? You feel me? Nah, but yeah, I'm gonna catch everybody, man. Stay up, man. Always know, man, like, make a play, bruh. When I mean make a play with life. Do something with your life. Take an opportunity with life. Take a leap of faith, man. Step out your comfort zone. If you wanted to become an artist one day, but you're too nervous or you're too shy of what people are gonna say about you, fuck them, man. Make a play, man. Step out your comfort zone, man. Do something with your life, man. Make your life a movie, man. And on that note, we're going to end it. I hope to see you on my birthday bash cruise. It's going to be a motherfucking vibe. You already know, man. And, yeah, man. Pull up, man. And, I'm going to catch y'all.
I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip. Threw some cash on her tits. I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip. Threw some cash on her tits. Yeah. I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip. Threw some cash on her tits. Yeah. Penthouse suite, yeah, we lit. Bumping nip. Or some 42 on her cup. Now she slobbering on my tip. Waking up the next day, I gotta make a play. Feeling grateful today, I gotta meditate. Light up the sage.